I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by stopping Google Photos from deciding what to remove. Open the Photos app, tap your profile, then back up and sync and switch it off. This prevents cloud rules from triggering deletions. Next, immediately turn off free up space so the app won't delete local copies after upload. Make sure the images actually exist in your phone's photos or DSIM folders and that Google Photos doesn't have exclusive storage permission. Once done, you've halted the automatic removal process. Once automatic deletion is paused, secure the actual files. Use your file manager to move originals into a dedicated camera or photos folder that you control. Google Photos sometimes targets temporary or cache folders for cleanup. Verify each file is full resolution, not a thumbnail, and copy critical photos to an alternative local folder or SD card for redundancy. Then adjust app permissions so Google Photos can read but not modify or delete device files. This blocks accidental removal while keeping viewing intact. To finish, decide if you want cloud backups without deletions. Enable backup only and avoid free up space, or use archive to hide but not remove local files. Test the setup by taking a new photo, waiting for backup, then confirming the local file remains. If deletions continue, clear Google Photos cache, reinstall the app, and check for other cleaner apps or device optimization settings that might delete media. If needed, restore from your backup and repeat the permission steps to lock things down.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.